Hi, in this video we can going to add a drop down in a flutterflow. Now in a container I add one child drop down, and now we can see now it is available drop down, and we can add in center, and we can see key drop down is already added. And now I want to first select and add son. Suppose I add Java. Number of options value we can add from here. Right side define options, its property, and we can add from here PHP and JavaScript. So first we add the drop down from the widget, and we can add its value from left right side. One property is there, define option, and we can add a number of value. Now when I click add option, then it will add the new value. So currently I added 3 value. Now see, it is properly added. Initially value please select. Okay, now I run this project. First I save this project, and now open the and instant reload. After clicking instant reload, it will be affected. Now we can see that drop down is visible. Project is successfully started, and we can check out the added values are present or not. Now Java, PHP and JavaScript, 3 value we can add in a flutterflow editor. Now we can shown here. So this way we can add the drop down in a flutterflow.